Hi guys, welcome again to Video Drops. Previous video we discussed about why we need a website, and today's video we're gonna see about how to use WordPress to create those websites. So we need these three things to create websites in WordPress. First, we need to install XAMPP that helps to build WordPress site offline. So download and install it in Mac or PC. Second, we need to download WordPress. So go to wordpress.org. Don't worry, those links are in the description. If you have not watched my previous video or still confused about why using WordPress to create websites, please watch my previous video and you will get clear idea why I am using WordPress. So go to wordpress.org and download WordPress files to your PC. At last, we're gonna need a custom template. I am using this Ramsey CV template. You can see that this title cost around $50, but I got this for free. Yeah, and I will show you how to get this template for free at the end of this video. Copy the WordPress file to the XAMPP installation folder and paste it in the hdocs folder. Wait until the process is finished. Now open the XAMPP application and start Apache and MySQL services. Open your favorite browser, type localhost and you will see the XAMPP dashboard. Now click on phpMyAdmin. Select new and create a database as I do. After creating a database, type localhost/WordPress. Now click on Let's Go button and then type the same database name, username and password that you used to create in phpMyAdmin and click on Submit. Run the installation. Now we have entered into the dashboard of the WordPress. This is the default homepage of the WordPress site and we need to install our custom template to create our own website. Let's see how to do that. Go to Appearance, Theme section and upload your theme. As you can see, I have downloaded Ramsey theme to my PC. I will show you how to get those for free at the end of the video. Now follow the steps as I do. We have installed our theme successfully. Now activate it. So, we have installed our custom template, but we need to customize it. Before customizing, we need to update all plugins. To do so, follow the steps as I do. Now click on Customize and wait for a few seconds to load the page. As you could see, we have installed our custom template, but it should look similar to this. To do so, we need to import this demo content to our WordPress site. There is a WordPress plugin called One-Click Demo Import, which helps to import this demo content to our WordPress site. Download this plugin. I have added the link in the description. Go to the plugin section, click on Add New, choose the plugin which you have downloaded in your PC, and click on Upload. Once the plugin has installed it, click Activate. Now go to Appearance, import demo data and upload the demo content as I do. Once you have selected all the files, click on Import. Now go to Homepage Settings and click on Static Page and go to Homepage Options and select Homepage. You can see we got our Ramsey template loaded. So the question is, how do I get to know all this information? Basically, every WordPress template folder has a documentation file where you get to know all the details like how to use the template, customize it, and lot more. Oh, I forgot totally. The main thing is whenever you make changes, don't forget to click on Publish. Congratulations, you made it to the bonus section. What's in it? In the bonus section, we're going to see about how to get paid WordPress templates for free. You could see every template costs some money at minimum of $20. What you have to do is go to the template of what you need, copy the name of it. Paste it in the Google search and add nulled keyword to the last of the sentence and hit enter. You will get lot of websites loaded with same templates for free. Second method is, you could just type nulled WordPress template and you will get a lot of templates for free. Hey, that's it for the today video guys. So far we see about why we need WordPress website and how to get custom template and install in it. And in the next video we will see about how to customize it according to our needs. Hit the subscriber button if you liked my video and don't forget the bell icon too. See you all in the next video.